Ladies and gentlemen, this is where it's at. These guys get it at the highest level. Subordinate all activity to the bottleneck. When the bottleneck is sanding, now the machine is doing the sanding and the operator can connect another process to the sanding, which these guys have ingeniously connected the staining process. So now what happens is one of those processes is free. This is how you gain speed and throughput in manufacturing, connecting processes. This is why this machine is designed the way it is, one door at a time.
Robot sanded the stiles and rails. We did the center panels before we put the doors together on the robot. So that's 100% sanded by the robot before stain.